Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We are back with another video, interesting video. In this video, I will tell you about a very special tool which is known as SpiderFoot, and the role of this tool is very interesting. It will give you each and every possible detail by using open source intelligence system. By using open source intelligence system, it will give you each and every possible details available for the target online. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you more about during the process. If you have your Kali Linux virtual machine, go in Kali Linux virtual machine, click on this application and search about SpiderFoot, open SpiderFoot, and it will open SpiderFoot in the terminal. Okay, you here you can see that. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to just open SpiderFoot, then this, then you need to put your IP address with port, as I'm gonna put my local host IP address with port 5000, port number 5000. Let me show you. Yeah, okay, so look at this command SpiderFoot L 1 to the IP address and port number, and click on enter. It will show you some results, some output, and I'll tell you what you are gonna do by using this. Here you can see that we have, it gives us this URL. Copy this URL and come here at your browser and paste this URL. Here you can see that we have SpiderFoot scans started, as I have already done 2 scans. So I'm gonna tell you about the scans. So here you can see that this interface will appear in front of you, and you need to click on new scan, and you need to give a scan name, as I'm gonna name it IP2. And I'm conducting this scan. I just got this IP address from internet, and it is a demo IP address. I guess it gives us as a demo IP address, and you need to paste the IP address here. No, not this. Let me take this. I have taken it from ChatGPT. Click on this and copy this and go back and paste this. Okay, so for now we have just come to SpiderFoot through terminal, and we have click on new scan button, and we have give the scan name. You can give whatever name you want, and you need to give target. And in target, what you can scan, here is the list. You can scan domain name, you can scan IPv4 address, IPv6 address, host or subdomain name, subnet, even Bitcoin address. You can scan your Bitcoin address also, email address, phone number, human name, username, and network ASN. So I'm gonna search IP address, and here you can see that I have completed my information. I have put all of my information. Now I'm gonna click on run scan. Now here are 4 options, and if you read about this you will get better idea. So I'm going to get anything and everything about this target. Click on run scan now. Keep watching the video. I will tell you some interesting details about SpiderFoot, and there is no detailed video about SpiderFoot, and I'm gonna explain each and everything with great detail. Here you can see that if the scan is still running, this section will update shortly. No data. You will see that after some time, as you can see here, the scan is started, and it's running right now. Okay, after some time you will get some data. Okay, it is still running, so we will give it some time so that it can complete its scan, and so that we can analyze it further and fully. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about these things. To check what it's find out till now, click on browse. Here you can see the list. Here you can see the list associated or linked with this target. Affiliate email address, yes, membership, blacklisted co-hosted site, blacklisted IP on subnet, co-hosted site, country name. That's interesting. Let's check the country name. Click on this. You can see that we have got information about two countries. One is Canada and it's Toronto, Ontario, and the other one is United States of America. Go back and click on IP address. Here you can see the same IP address and go back. Here you can see more things. Here is the interesting thing, physical address. Click on this. You will see that this is showing us this physical address. Okay, so and then you can also get about physical coordinates. Physical coordinates are sitting in US and Canada, and here you can see about open TCP port, net block membership, physical coordinates, physical location, raw data from IRRP, and you can see each and everything. As you can see that scan is still running and we are giving it some time so that it could complete its scanning, and it is officially finished. You can see here, and here you can see the summary. This is what we find right now, okay, about this targeted IP. And keep in mind, I got this IP from ChatGPT, and it has nothing to do with targeting someone's IP. So click on, you can see all the details here. I hope so you understand it very well. And if you want to get details about something, you can click on this and it will show you details. Even it will show you links where you can, where it will take you related to this targeted IP address. Okay, so I'm gonna come back on summary. Here you can see all the detail. I'm going to start a new scan, and I'm gonna put uh, a domain. I'm gonna put domain. Sorry, I'm gonna name this scan number one, and I'm gonna put domain. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a passive scan because it will take so much time to get anything and everything about the target, and it's about my own website. Click on run scan now, and after clicking on this you will get more details about this website. As I have told you earlier that you can get information about domain, IP address, phone numbers, email address, usernames, Bitcoin address, each and everything. Keep in mind, the purpose of our channel is to make cooperative and productive community, and the purpose of our channel is to spread positivity and defeat the criminals, mostly in cyberspace. So to make sure, follow each and everything ethically, please. Here you can see that we have got this information and it's still running. I'm gonna see some of information. Here you can see that country name. Click on this, you will get United States of America. And I'm gonna show you another thing, domain name. Here you can see that these are the domain names. Okay, I'm not going deep in this scan. Here you can see that all these things happening and it is still running. It will take more time. Okay, so for now, this is all about today's video. SpiderFoot is an amazing tool to find out information and to counter cyber threats easily. I hope so you like this video. If you have any question or query, you can put your question or query in comment section. I will try to answer each of your query. And if you want to get our services related to your website, if you want that if you want to scan your website by using professional tools and professional team, you can reach me out through my email given in the description. We'll meet in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.